Today I just wanted to show a new design on the Sumo Heavy Duty LDS point. This is a very well worn standard Sumo LDS point as opposed to the Heavy Duty, and this is the old version of the Heavy Duty. Now if we start with this was a good point for us, and in many ways a lot of these features have actually pulled across, but I'll just show the difference. This is pretty much the same. So we've got this really thick, wide strip of tungsten going through here, and that's thick as opposed to this thinner one, which is the ideal one in most of the land being used. But if you've got some really tough, stony ground, this is going to wear too quickly for you, and then this comes into its own. So this thick strip of tungsten with the hard facing behind then allows this leg protection, this wall, to come and protect that leg that sits in behind. It needs to be this thick, because when we tried it with a thin one, it just wore straight off. So this is the reason for the thickness. We know it pulls away from the true low disturbance, but in those really heavy ground that have got those big stones, those stones are moving through the ground and you're not getting that true low disturbance anyway. This has remained on the new version. Now the difference, we're still keeping this patented double tungsten design on the wing, but what we've done is we've changed the way in which that moves through the ground and the position of that wing. So you can see probably straight away, this one is angled down and this one is to the ground, and you see it's a flatter wing. So you can see the difference there. We think this is a bit of a game changer, because what happens both on this one and has happened on this one as well is you can see that the soil flow comes through, comes below that wing, and then starts eating the bottom of the leg protection. So our main aim with this one has been to better that. So this tungsten has now come right the way down to the bottom. This is all now in shadow. And then in order to, when we've got this straightened wing, to make sure that we protect that bolt hold all the time, is we've done two things. So we've got a kicker here, so the cast kicks up, and that patented double tungsten is actually on that angle. So it comes in through here and then it just kicks up slightly and goes beyond that bolt hole. So this is really set to be very, very robust. So you've got the big heavy tungsten on the nose all the way through the shin. Then you've got that wall protecting the leg. You've got the bigger tungsten tile on the front right the way down to the bottom, so the leg is protected underneath as well. You've got the kicker on that patented double tungsten wing that's protecting that bolt hole. So we accept right from the very start, this is not as low disturbance as this point, but this one is going to give longevity like nothing else on the market, and we feel it's a huge improvement.